This is you. You work, go to school, you're stressed out. You have a car, like this, or this, or this, or this, or this, or even this. You need to get from A to B. You need convenience and security and safety. You have a cell phone and you have a computer. Find it, lock it, leave it, and forget it. The GPS Snitch. Only by Blackline. Making your life a little bit more easy.